It's Fire Alarm Dude01 here, and guess what I have? Guess what just came in the mail? BAM! Yes! I believe that this is my, elevator indicator. We'll just have to see. Ready? Here we go. And yes, always cut away from yourself. And I got this on eBay for a pretty good price, about, $20. It's, I believe it's a ThyssenKrupp Vandal resistant hallway indicator. If I'm wrong, let me know. And I'll correct myself in the description. There we go. There we go, focused. Here we are. Oh, it's a package in a package. A package within a package. It's always nice. Ooh. What's this say? That's cool. Pottery. Okay. Okay, it's got no address on it. Good. And here we go. Oh, and another package. What the? Dang, this was packaged really well. I think I can just, can I just, no, I'm gonna have to remove the tape by hand. And I have to do this kind of quickly because it's hard to upload videos whenever you have really bad internet. There we go. Got a little bit of it. Come on. Almost there. Ugh. And more bubble wrap. Hold on a second. Woo. Here we are. God. He packaged that really well, this person who sold me this. I'll give him a thumbs up for that. Come on, come on, come on. There we are. Here it is. Oh man, that looks nice. It's absolutely massive as well. There's a panel on the back of it. Vandal Hall lantern. Yep, it's ThyssenKrupp. That looks so nice. And yes, I'll be doing a demonstration as soon as I get it wired up. But yeah, that's all I have for now. And if you do like this, please be sure to subscribe, rate, and comment this video. Well, give this video a nice big thumbs up. And be sure to check out my Google Plus communities, like my fire alarm community, my elevator community on Google Plus. I might put the link in the description below as soon as I can. But yeah, that's what I have so far. That looks awesome. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye.